2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA. With less than 55,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless start. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.